Loretta Lynn's frosted pecans just in time for the holidays. These are candied pecans that are great for munching and gift giving. We're going to use 1 pound of pecan halves and make a single layer on a large baking sheet. Pop these in the oven at 250 degrees for 10 to 15 minutes. While these are baking, we'll get the mixture ready. I'm going to do 2 egg whites. Don't laugh, I'm not good at this. I've heard all kind of tricks on this, and I should have used another method because it's not going well. I think I'm going to achieve it though. Yeah, we'll skip the second one. So we're going to take our 2 egg whites, 1 cup of sugar, one tablespoon of honey, mix together until creamy. All right, this is looking good now. All right, so my pecans are ready. My cream is ready, so I'm gonna mix the two and just stir it all together. Trying to get the mixture on every single pecan. I had taken 1 stick of butter and melted it in a cake pan. Now I'm gonna actually take my pecans and put them into the butter and mix it all around. Then I'm gonna make 1 single layer of my pecans again. I had bumped my oven up to 325. Now I'm gonna bake them for 30 minutes, stirring every 10. After this time, you're going to have irresistible, delicious frosted pecans by Loretta Lynn. Her cookbook is called Cookin It Country.